And
Hi guys, here at Radway Green Level Crossing in Cheshire with Shane, Spike, Aspen and Callow.
that was the most weirdest intro ever. Did I mention that this is Radway Green Level Crossing in Cheshire?
I don't know.
Bang! Well, this is Radway Green Level Crossing in Cheshire.
Our train that is due to crew has been delayed by approximately 15 minutes.
Okay.
Right.
So that's the time.
I can't even
The time is 11:12.
11/12/26 Saturday. And this is for our 11:16 1 kilo 10 East Midlands train service from Crewe to Dad, which will be 15877. And 1 Tango 27 Rugby to Crewe has been delayed by approximately 10 minutes. Sorry.
YouTube name.
It's going
Oh, is she in? If we do,
I think this is on the floor properly.
no, Shane, it's going the same way as London. Crewe Derby.
See how high it is? I can't fit my camera under there. Why is that? How?
I've actually got
Why
good.
do you try this?
Mind you, pretty big barrel.
Why you try this?
Why not try it?
Yes.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I know.
Oops.
One yo there.
Here she is.
Wait.
Whoa!
Hey, Shane, it was your train.
Yep.
It should be 777
Shane's
again.
train.
350 777.
158 treble 7. 158 treble 7 the Derby, and
Oh, we're staying or going? Oh, we're going.
because we're not due to stay.
Okay.
I think he was going.
Thanks for watching this video.